In this quick video, I'm going to share with you an amazing custom function, and this function will help you in a big way. It will allow you to identify different formattings from a cell. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and do not forget to download the sample file and a free ebook at the end of this video. So let's get started. This custom function has 4 different settings that allows you to check for bold, underline, italic, and strike through from a cell. So I have this custom function, and when I add this function and select the cell where I have a value, and then the second argument is to define what I'm looking for. So if I'm looking for bold, then 1 italic, then 2 underline, then 3 and 4 for the strike through. So if I'm looking for bold, I'm going to go with 1 and click OK, and it returns 1 because I have bold formatting in the cell A1. But if I drag this formula down, and you can see I have 0 for the rest of the values because the formatting bold is not there. But if I just change it from 1 to 2, second argument, and then drag this formula down, it shows 1 for a cell where I have italic formatting. And if I go with 3, then I have 1 for underline. And if I go with 4, then I have 1 for the strike through. And somehow, if you want to look for all the 4 formattings, that is bold, italic, underline, and strike through, you just need to skip the second argument and simply refer to the cell. And now if I drag the formula down, you can see I have 1 for all the formattings. Now this custom function also works like a dynamic formula. So if you want to refer to a range instead of a single cell, you can do that, and then you can count the number of cells which have the formatting that you want to test. Let's say if you want to test how many cells have the bold formatting, italic formatting, underline, or strike through, you can do that with this function. So let's say if I want to count how many cells have the bold formatting. Now I have 2 cells here in this range, bold formatting. So let's say if I want to check or to count, so I'll enter some function, or you can also use the count function, but I'm just using it. And then has formatting, select the range. And as I'm going with the bold one, I'm going to enter 1 and then close my function. And the moment I hit enter, it returns 2. That means there are 2 cells in this range where I have the bold formatting. So you can use this function in that way also. Now let's learn how to add this custom function in your XML. I have already written the codes. You just need to copy and paste that code into your Visual Basic editors. For this, you need to have the developer tab first. And if you don't have the developer tab, you just need to go to File tab and then go to Options. And then from there, you need to click on Customize ribbon, click on the developer tab, just tick mark it and then click OK. And here you have the developer tab, click on it, go to Visual Basic. And from the book one, that's my workbook, which is open right now. Click on Insert a new module and then paste the code here. And this is the entire code. And you just need to paste it. Nothing else you need to do. Close it. And the moment you come back, just enter the function has formatting. And again, let me tell you, it has 2 arguments. The first is the range or the cell where you have the value that you want to check. And the second is the type of the formatting that you want to check. 1, 2, 3, 4 for separate formatting, bold, italic, underline, and strike through, and 0 or no value. I mean, if you skip, it will check all the values. That's it. Hey, thanks for watching this video, and you can download your free ebook that I have promised from the link in the description. And make sure to subscribe to the channel because I'll be coming out with a lot of cool Excel tips and tricks in coming weeks. So make sure to subscribe and like this video.